Prime Minister Modi held a productive meeting with new Maldivian President, and both sides agreed to set up a core group to further deepen their partnership across diverse sectors. The first ever Tri-Services Fleet Review meeting dedicated to Hindustan Aeronautics supported aircraft was held in Delhi to collectively review and strategize the sustenance of aircraft manufactured and supported by HAL. The Indian Air Force has indigenized about 3,000 aircraft components after supplies were affected due to the Russia-Ukraine conflict that has resulted in savings of foreign exchange worth 160 crore rupees in the first purchase cycle only, and more savings are expected further. Border Security Force has recovered a Chinese-origin Pakistani drone and 2 Glock pistols near international border in Punjab. Indian Navy's anti-submarine warfare corvette INS Kadmatt has arrived at the Yokosuka Naval Base in Japan for a 3-day visit for an operational turnaround. A new upgraded version of the ATAGS 155mm 52 caliber towed howitzer is undergoing trials in the Pokhran firing ranges that will be offered under the latest 400 towed gun competition. The first picture of Tejas aircraft equipped with ASRAAM missile has appeared on social media, and a test is expected in the next 5 to 6 months. The Korean Air Force has decided to retire an F-35A aircraft that was damaged by bird strike, as repair cost asked by Lockheed Martin was $107.6 million, which is higher than the total cost of aircraft. The Defense Acquisition Council recently gave its nod for major military hardware purchases like 97 Tejas Mark 1A aircraft, but the acceptance of necessity for 114 MRFA was missing from the announcement. A former Vice Chief of Indian Air Force has said that the whole process up to MRFA aircraft delivery will take 6 to 7 years, and by then the Tejas Mark 2 will be ready for induction, and that may be the reason for the government's indecision. The most significant task the Air Force has is to convince the government to import aircraft in the presence of the Tejas Mark II, and the biggest question is that if the MRFA program is dead, or is the government taking its time to ponder all its options? MBDA UK is actively pursuing opportunities to collaborate with the Indian Air Force to integrate its Spear 3 next-generation missile and Brimstone missile on the Tejas Mark 1A and Tejas Mark 2 fighter jets. The Spear is a next-generation air-launched surface attack weapon that features latest-generation multi-sensor seeker that will be able to engage a wide range of land and naval targets from a range of 140 kilometers. The Brimstone has also been offered for 31 MQ-9B drones that has the capability to engage a wide range of fast-moving targets and vessels in both land and naval environments from a range of over 25 kilometers. The Indian Navy Chief has announced the commencement of Project 76 to develop 6 indigenous conventional diesel submarines. The experience and expertise gained from Project 75I, along with the advancements made in India's submarine design and development capabilities, will serve as a strong foundation for Project 76. The design phase of Project 76 will be completed within the next few years, and construction will commence before 2030. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.